Need some coffee. Oh, I'm out. Get some. Get some. What in the world? What is that? What is that? What is that? That's a big mouse. Time to go hunting. Hope everybody's doing well. So back with you with a little sweet treat here. So because when I'm not barbecuing, I like to be Willy Wonka. So but came across this one the other day because I was gonna do a recipe with some marshmallows in it, and I saw on the back of the little marshmallow packet this little recipe. I was like, oh, that sounds good. And then super easy too, because it's just 3 ingredients. You got the marshmallows, some crunchy peanut butter, and then some semi-sweet chocolate chips, and that's it. So super easy and sounded good. It's hard to go wrong with that. But it's just a 12-ounce pack of the semi-sweet chocolate chips, then 4 cups of the mini marshmallows, and then a cup of crunchy peanut butter. So it says to put in the chocolate chips and then put in the peanut butter, and then they'll melt together in this saucepan. And then once they're kind of melted and together, you let it cool for like 5 minutes, and then you'll start folding in these little marshmallows. Make sure you got every little morsel out. There we go. And there goes in our peanut butter. There we go. Need a better way with getting peanut butter out of a cup where you can like slide something down and then just like scrape it off or something. But there we go. So lick my finger. So I'm going to turn this on maybe a medium low and kind of heat it up slow together. Then once it's heated up, I'll probably bring y'all back, show y'all like a little quick little close up what it looks like. We'll let it cool for the 5 minutes, put those in, stir them in, then we'll put them on our wax paper on our cookie sheet. Then it said to go in like the fridge for like 2 hours so they can cool up and harden up. But that's what we're gonna be doing. So I'll see y'all back when that's melted on down. So see y'all in a few. Alrighty, y'all. Looks like we got all the chips melted up. So looking really good. Smells good. That chocolate peanut butter together smells real good. So now again, let this go for 5 minutes, and then we'll go in with the little mini marshmallows once it's cooled for 5 minutes. Roll it around to get it covered, and then on the cookie sheet with wax paper it'll go. So I'll see y'all back again probably when I'm folding these in. So see y'all. Alrighty, y'all, it's cooled down for the 5 minutes, and now we'll dump in our good little marshmallows and give them a swirled around till they coated, it says. And then we'll start dropping it on our sheet pan with wax paper. So there we go. About got it. There we go. Got it covered pretty good. So now we'll start dropping them on our wax paper there, a little at a time, and let them cool. So I'll see y'all back when I'm got them all dropped. So see y'all in a few. Alrighty, y'all, got them done here. They look really good, smell really good. I made them pretty big and got a little bit left over, so you need a fairly big sheet pan if you're gonna make these. So I'm gonna pop these in the fridge here for 2 hours and let them cool, and then I'll come back to see y'all when they're done. And while they're cooling off, I'm gonna eat me some good old chicken and dumplings I made the other day. So I'll see y'all in a few. Well, alrighty, y'all, let's get them out of the fridge here. It's been the 2 hours, so they should be fairly well cooled. I know when I look back at the directions and stuff, it said several hours, but I said 2 hours, but I've checked on them and they're hardened on up. I'll throw a quick video of them up close for y'all to see, but again, we'll run through how they were to make. So ingredients wise is just the package of 12-ounce semi-sweet chocolate chips, 1 cup of crunchy peanut butter, 4 cups of the mini marshmallows. Melt the chocolate and peanut butter together on low heat. Once it's melted off, turn it off. Let it sit for 5 minutes or a little bit more. Roll the mini marshmallows in it, and then start dishing it out on a little wax paper cookie sheet. And you'll need a cookie sheet a lot bigger than this or just whatever, because I know I filled this one up pretty good and I had quite a bit extra. It's a nice bowl size full, so it makes quite a bit, and I made some of them pretty big, as you can see. So let's get this one right here and try it out, see how it is. They smell really good, that peanut buttery chocolate smell, so we'll go in and see how they are. Yeah. I knew it really couldn't go wrong with chocolate and peanut butter. So it's that soft, chewy marshmallow feel, the rich peanut butter and chocolate mixture, and I like it so it's not overly sweet with the semi-sweet chocolate chips, and then you get that nice little textural crunch with the crunchy peanut butter. So those are really good. I liked them. Knew they couldn't be bad though. And you could probably switch it up. Well, I mean, I know you could switch it up and make them almost like mini Rocky Road bikes or whatever. So you could use like almond butter or pecan butter, and then put like pecan chips in it, like little bits, and then do it the same way. Those are really good. Really good. So definitely make these. Nope. I'm gonna drop her back. That's a shame. Not overly sweet. A little crunch with the peanuts. That fluffy little chew with the marshmallows. And then it's kind of creamy too, because that chocolate and peanut butter's mixed together. Good stuff. So definitely make these. Definitely make them. So I'm gonna put these in a little container, and I guess I'll put them back in the fridge. But you can store them in a airtight container outside. Well, not outside. That'd be stupid. Outside the refrigerator inside your home. Just kind of probably a cooler, drier place. But anyways, again, yeah, make these super easy. 3 ingredients, delicious. So y'all, like, share, and subscribe if you want to. If you haven't already, and when you do, you're welcome on into the Head to Tail family, and we'll love you and welcome in. So thank y'all, and I'll catch y'all on the next one. And trust me, folks, I cleaned the floor a lot before I ever sat that candy on the floor. I don't serve stuff off the floor, so don't freak out.